What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the Status Group social channel. My name is Daniel Choi. I am your host, aka Hello Daniel Choi on the internet, and today we have a very special unboxing. We're going to take a deep dive into one of the most sought after items for the BMW E46 interior. This is the BMW E46 SCZA CSL carbon fiber center console. Now, as we enter into the year of 2024, the BMW E46 CSL becomes more and more unobtainable to the point where you probably can't get one unless you have 100K or more. But one way to pay homage to the iconic BMW E46 CSL is of course owning a piece of history. Now, instead of hunting down the no longer available OEM CSL center console that probably retails for over $6,000, you can order one from StatusGruppe for a fraction of the cost. Now, Status offers this in a 1x1, 2x2 weave pre-peg carbon fiber, which is one of the strongest carbon fiber offerings out there, or even a fiberglass option. The one that I currently have in my hand is the 1x1 carbon fiber weave, and let's take a deeper look into it. Now, definitely you're gonna have to order a e-brake boot that is long enough for this CSL center console. The OEM versions are definitely a little shorter, so you do want to place an order for the longer version through Status when you're choosing this unit. Also, definitely you want to note that the hazard switch frame, you need to either A, order one that is OEM yourself, or B, contact Status to see if they have one in stock. The switch frame is definitely something that you need to house your hazard switch and your lock button. Moving down the console, in this area right here is where your mirror switch will live. You'll definitely need to cut this section off yourself if you plan on relocating it. Now, Status does offer this mirror switch unit, but please contact for availability. Upon opening the box, you will notice that it is a bit different, and yes, Status did make some improvements, such as making this unit slightly longer so that you don't get that ugly cut off carpet line. And second, you will notice that they got rid of the two holes, which in my opinion makes it a lot more cleaner. And above all else, this unit comes in left-hand drive or right-hand drive. So for you overseas drivers out there who are looking for a right-hand drive unit, Status got your back. And last but not least, to accompany the center console, you can opt for an optional carbon fiber cup holder. Now, this carbon fiber cup holder is also very well made in carbon fiber, and definitely it's a good option out there if you're looking to hold a standard coffee cup. I don't believe that it can hold a giant Slurpee from 7-Eleven, but it's definitely a good option for you to consider. And one question that I get asked a lot is, how much does this console weigh? So let's find out. Now, as you can see, this actually weighs 524 grams. Converting that to pounds or whatever metrics you are using, it comes to only 1.15 pounds, which is under 1.2 pounds compared to, of course, the OEM plastic version, which weighs a lot more. So if you are looking to just shave some weight for the interior for track use, definitely this is a winning option. Taking a look at the back of the console, you have your standard StatusGruppe stamping, such as the authenticity sticker with the production date. Make sure you keep this tacked on just in case yours comes a little bit defective upon opening the box. You could definitely contact and reach Status to see if they could help you out. With all the technical specs out of the way, let's take a look at some B-roll and see how it looks in the car. So there you have it, guys. This was the StatusGruppe BMW CSL carbon fiber center console. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this product and what you think of this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and comment on what you want to see next. Once again, thanks for watching and see you next time.